Okay, we will answer this one. If set A is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and set B is 2, 3, 5, 7. So we will find the union of set A and set B. Or what is the A union of B? Okay, so since union yung hinahanap natin, ibig sabihin dito, ito yung members or elements ng dalawang set, yung A at saka B. Ibig sabihin, i-combine natin yung dalawang set. So, yung A union of B, that is equal to 1, tapos 2, okay? 3, dalawang 3, di ba? So, isa lang yung isulat natin dyan. 5, dalawang 5, pero isa lang yung isulat natin. 7, at saka 9. So, therefore, yung choices natin, nasa letter D yung correct answer.